TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 25. You get the NASDAQ down 22. S&Ps are off 2.5. Gold contracts down $5.90, trading at $12.51 an ounce. You have silver down 24 cents, $16.58 an ounce. Platinum, big move, down 21 bucks, $9.05 an ounce. You get copper down 7.5 pennies, $2.54 a pound. Light sweet crude up 18 cents, trading $47.84 a barrel. Now we're going to have the numbers out, API numbers out at 10:30 this morning. It's not the API. The government numbers were coming out at 10:30 this morning. They had API last night. Bonds, 10-year note down one tick, 125.21. 30-year bond up 8 ticks, 153. We get the Fed statement at 2 o'clock today. Bonds have continued to reject lower price, move higher. I expect we're going to see high volatility in the bond market today, high volatility in the metals market, high volatility in good old King dollar as soon as this statement comes out. The Fed's not expected to raise short-term rates. Everyone's going to be looking at that statement saying, okay, when, where, what are we doing? King dollar up 186 ticks, 99.01. King dollar continues to build cause to break down into its lowest swing point. The euro is trading at 109 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 112 to the U.S. dollar. We get over and we take a look at the SPY. What you have happening in the SPY is this, folks. SPY is trading down 45 cents right now. The number to keep your eye on is going to be the 238.37. Right now, you're at 238.31. We'll see whether they get a slight expansion of volume out here. Bottom line is that number is the lows of the high of March 1st. Now, this is what you also have. You have the possibility that you're going to end up with a pretty big island top inside the S&P. And where I'm going with that is this. If the S&P, the SPY just goes down about 60, 70 cents today, you're down 45 right now. You get Facebook coming out with numbers after the close. And if you get a slight gap down, you're going to have an island top out there from the 25th of April going to today. So we'll see how this baby shakes out this afternoon. Dow Industrial, same setup in the Dow. You get a slow turn down. Bottom line, it's the same benchmark. That benchmark being, which the Dow hasn't been able to hold, by the way. It's 20,957. Right now you're 20,915. The composite and the NDX 100, they hit highs yesterday. They're down slightly today. You get the composite down 26 bucks. You get the NDX 100, Apple's trading down 257. You get the NDX down $24. What you want to be looking for out here is that will you get an expansion of volume as we move to lower price? You get an expansion if we do get an expansion of lower volume as we move to lower price. Bottom line, we can go a lot lower. Facebook is the last big cap NDX stock that is coming out with their numbers. So and window dressing is over tomorrow. So. Gold contract right now, they traded to 1247 this morning. You're at 1250. The number that you want to see this over is 1254.70. That's the bottom line. That's your breakout area. Yeah, there's plenty of support there at the 1248. Bottom line, the more it forces into 1248, the higher the probability is that you can go down to 1229, which is pretty intense. Silver hasn't been able to catch a bid or hold a bid. Silver is down at 24 cents right now. This silver it looks like it's going to go into the $16.14. Now, notes and bonds are continuing to say that they want higher price, lower yield. And what that sets up, bottom line, what that is setting up a run at 2 o'clock this afternoon. So I expect you're going to see some big volatility inside the dollar, inside the bonds, inside the commodities, and we'll see whether we get any volatility inside the S&P. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, give them a call at 855-750-4051. That's 855-750-4051. Or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking. I'm right back here, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.